like to welcome all of you to my today's lecture. I would like to deliver my lectures on your mark distribution and syllabus. Before starting the class, I would like to introduce myself. I am Somar Kumar Sutodar, lecturer in English, Binodpur Degree College, Magura. I think you all should know your syllabus and mark distribution. Before that, I would like to thank my honorable principal sir for this nice arrangement. Our respected teachers are trying heart and soul to take their classes. Okay, my dear students, I would like to introduce my English department. Our English department consists of 3 teachers. Our Vice Principal Sir, Mr. Monjurul Islam, and our Kamrul another teacher, and me, Somar Kumar Sutodar. Okay, dear student, doing this, I would take help from our technology, that means ICT. I would like to show my presentation through multimedia projector. Okay, dear students, look at the screen. I would like to start, or I would like to deliver my speech or presentation on our syllabus and mark distribution. Dear students, look at the screen. For English first paper, there are 2 parts. Part 1, reading section, and part 2, writing section. For part 1, reading section, the number is 60 marks, and part 2, writing section, and the number is 40 marks, and the total marks is 100. Okay, in the part 1, the first question is multiple choice, and these questions to be said from your textbook, and the number is 5. I think you are very well known about this item. In your earlier class, you have practiced this item. Okay, multiple choice, there will be 4 options. You have to choose the closest meaning or closest and suitable answer out of 4 questions. Okay, multiple choice questions, and these questions to be said from your textbook. That means from the first passage there will be 2 questions, that means multiple choice questions and comprehension questions, that means short questions or open-ended questions. As for example, choose the correct answer from the alternatives. There will be passages in the first question, and the question number 1, where is Kuakata located? As for example, there will be 4 options, 4 alternatives: in Khulna, in Potuakhali, in Borishal, in Bagherhat. You have to put or write the exact location from the 4 alternatives. Okay. In the next question, comprehension question, and these questions is said from the first passage. Here there are 5 questions from the first passage. You have to answer 5 questions, and for each questions the number is 2, and altogether the total number is 10. That means for each questions the number is 2, and for 5 questions the number is 10. As for example, there will be passage, and under the passage the question, as for example, here the questions will be 5. The 5 questions will be, say, answer the following question. Where does the name Kuakata come from? What is the most unique features of Kuakata beach? Why would one visit Kuakata? What are the things that add to the beauties of Kuakata? What, according to the text, make Kuakata a must sought after tourist destination? Here, just for example, then the next questions may be, this item is very new to you. Here there will be information transfer or flowchart. There will be a passage. Under the passage there will be 6 boxes, and in the first box short notes or answer. First answer is done or will be done for you, and the next 5 box you have to put the right answer. As for example, read the following text and make a flowchart showing the painful experiences a street child has to suffer to survive. One is done for you. Here is an example. This type of format to be said in your question paper, and one is done for you, and this topic is taken or selected from your text, that from my name is Amerigo, and here is an example, homeless, and then you have to put this one and this one. Okay, and for this item the number is 10. In the next questions you have to write a summary. I think you are very well known about these topics, and for this summary the number is 10. The number is 10. There will be a passage from the textbook, and you have to write the summary on the basis of the passage. Given in your question paper, and for this item the number is 10 marks. And the next item or next question is close test with clue, and for this item the number is 5 marks. Okay, there will be box, more than 10 box, and there will be box, more than 10 box, and under the box there will be passage, but you have to put the each gap. You have to make answer 10 for 10 gaps, and for 10 gaps, for each gap the number is 0.5, and for 10 gaps the number is total 5 marks. As for example, Here is an example. Read the following text and fill the blanks with suitable word from the box. There are more words than needed. That means here there will be more words for 10 gaps, and also mention that you can make any grammatical change if necessary. That means you can change any grammatical structure if needed. Okay. Next item, close test without clue. For this item, the number is 10 mark. There will be 10 gaps for 10 marks. For each gap the number is 1, and for 10 gaps the number is 10. I think you are very well known about these topics. So I would like to go to the next topics. As for example, here you can see there will be passages and there are 10 gaps A to J, and for each gap the number is 1 and the total number is 10. Okay. And the next item is rearranging. I think you are very well known about this item or topic. Here you have to rearrange the sentence correctly. You are also well known about this item. Okay. Here is an example. Here there are 10 sentences, but you have to put the right order or sequence. Okay, rearrange the following sentence to make a coherent order. And for this item the number is 10. Now it is the part 2 and writing section, and for this section the number is 40 marks. Okay. Question number 7. Writing a paragraph answering a question. I think you are very well known about this item. In your previous class you have practiced this item. Just you have to write a paragraph on the basis of the questions given in the question paper. Okay. Here is an example. Write a paragraph on folk music in about 200 words on the basis of answer to the following question. Here is an example. You have to write a paragraph on the basis of these questions. The first question, what is folk music? What are the components of folk music? Why is not folk music sophisticated? Who are the contributors of folk music in Bangladesh? What kind of role does folk music play in our social and cultural life? There will be 5 questions, but you have to write a paragraph on the basis of these 5 questions. Okay. The next item or next question, completing a story. I think you are very well known about this item, and for this item the number is 7. In the question paper, an incomplete story is said, but you have to complete the story on the basis of the information or story given in your question paper. Okay. So here is an example. The following is the beginning of a story. Complete it in your own words, and for this item the number is 7. Long ago there lived a hare in a forest. He could run fast. He would always take pride in his speed. Then you have to complete the story according to your own words. Okay. I will go to the next item. The next questions or item is informal letters or emails. And for this item, the number is 5. I think you are very well known about this item. You have to write not formal, you have to write informal letters. That means you have to write a letter to your friend and father or relatives. You have also email item, informal letters or email, and for this item the number is 5. Here is an example. Write an email to your friend asking him or her to return the book borrowed from you, and the number is 5. In the next questions, and the question number is 10, analyzing maps, graphs and charts. I think you have practiced this item in your previous classes. And for this item, the number is 10. Here is an example. The graph below shows the number of people living below the poverty line from 1995 to 2010. Describe the graph in 150 words. The same kind of questions to be said in your English first paper, and you have to analyze or you have to describe this chart or graph in your answer script. Okay, and for this item, and the number is 10. Let us go to the next item. Appreciating short stories or poem. I think it is a new item for you. And appreciating short stories or poem. There will be a poem. There will be a poem selected from your textbook or outside the book, or there will be short story. You have to write the theme. You have to write the theme of this story or poem. It is mentioned that you have to write the theme within 50 words, not more than 50 words. You have to remember it carefully. I have described these 11 items, and the total mark is 100. And it is your syllabus and mark distribution for your English first paper. For the English second paper, our another teacher will present it in the next class. And today I would like to end of my class, and next class I will continue my topics or grammatical items. Okay, dear students, thank you very much.